All the best, Revati.
Yes, thank you. So just can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, Revati, I can see.
Yes. So this is Revati Dilip. So fourth year applied art student. So this is my internship PPT. So my name of organization was Nutrient PVT India. The duration of my internship was 8 June to 8 September. So I joined this internship through Internshala. So this is my offer letter. So here is the little bit brief about the Nitroot. So Nitroot is belongs to the print media company. So where illustration where they are printing about illustrations of babies. So they are giving me a particular topics like you can see a birthday theme or any mundania or any festival things. And after that, my job profile was there. To making illustrations of babies. So the process of my work was I have to create illustrations of babies where actually they are giving me a particular topic like you can say project also. So it's a 3 month internship. So I had 90 projects almost in that. Most of the projects are same, and the process of my illustration work was they are giving me a particular topic like for example they are giving me a Diwali topic, so I have to create illustration according to that. First of all I have to create any born boy or any born girl. After that I have to look into their clothes and elements which is important for that festivals, and then most importantly facial expressions and all. So I did all things carry about that whenever I did illustrations. So here you can see my illustrations. So this one is for Diwali illustrations. This one is Independence, which are most of the illustrations are. This one is God illustrations. The cuteness of gods. They want their illustration cuteness. Actually, so I try to show in God cuteness in gods. So this one is Krishna. This one is Ganesha. This one is Durga. Yeah, this one is Christmas. Also, the most of the illustration I did, most of the illustration I create of festivals only. So this one is Holi. Bengali. These are the toddlers, which I try to show in that with the help of clothes that they are Bengali. This one is party theme. This one is Dandiya. And this one is Ram. This illustration I created for a Ram Navami. So this one is Lohri festival. So this one is Pongal. Just their main motive is the cuteness, the kid cuteness they want, and all this stuff that with the help of that stuff they can show their caption, anything caption they want. Now, this is the caption like born musician, like here you can say the born traveler. They are giving me captions like that. So I have to just create illustrations according to that. So this one is Onam. Sweets. Like that illustration I did most of time because that type of illustrations they can use anywhere, like any festival. So not any particular caption or any particular topic for that. This one is Muslim, so this illustration I created for Eid. Yeah, this one is Raksha Bandhan, and this one is I like most Super Glow. This one is my favorite, and almost they sell well for this illustration on their websites are really great reviews. This one is also caption illustration. So I really learn about this company was lots of things that how to visualize the things, how to visual, and when we visualize the things and how to create in their our own style, and how to how to choose our color palette and how to maintain our color palette in our illustrations. When we confuse about color palette, then how we try in their experience their illustrations, and the speed of work that on particular software, and lots of things I have learned. The obviously the work before the deadline, how to submit the work before the deadlines and all. This is- So here is a website link where you can see my work. Like most of the work are my live on their websites, but actually they are giving me a day on daily basis designs, like 5 to 6 designs I have to create. So in that 2 or 3 designs are almost published on their website. So here I mentioned the link where you can see my work. And also the my next experience for this internship was a payment experience. So it was really a little bit good actually. When I get my first payment, then I feel like I have felt like something it's bigger, like through my own work, like that. And yeah, this is that's it.
So you said your favorite illustration was the which one was it? Raksha Bandhan, right?
Yeah. It is.
Okay,
This one.
this is good. So so can you tell me where did you apply these illustrations in the like these you made these illustrations, but what are they mostly applied for?
Mostly print media only.
For printing on the t-shirts or the baby clothes?
Yeah, yeah, baby clothes, t-shirt, baby clothes.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah,
then
कुर्ताज and all. बेबीसाठी जे कुर्तेच वगैरे छोट्या पॅकेज मध्ये असतात तर त्यांच्यावर पण प्रिंट केलं.
okay. So can you tell me about how did this internship experience how will it shape you as a better designer after you have had an experience doing illustrations in your class versus now that you have worked in a company? How do you think that has that experience changed you as a designer?
Yeah, it was a good experience actually. I have learned lots of things because of this company. Actually, my mentor was really good. She's a graphic designer, and she guided me step by step. Like when the my figure anatomy was corrected. माझी figure anatomy पण चांगली झाली त्यांच्यामुळे actually. So yeah, just positive point is because of her guidance. That's it.
Okay. Do you think you need to, has this internship given you an insight as to how you can improve? Is there anything that, you want to work on as a designer on yourself?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I'm not getting what.
So, what do you think you need to improve in yourself, and something that you learned from this internship that you think that has helped you grow as a designer?
Uh, I can't say particular thing, but uh, like that only. I had said that the sorry sir. Actually, I had said almost the things that I have learned from this company.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Okay,
Sir,
Revati. हाँ, yeah, you wish to add anything?
sir, actually, I just wanted to ask you that this illustration they were really like, or something you suggest me for this. You
You
want to
want?
suggest me
Okay, go on.
for about this works.
No, I didn't get you. What? I think wait. You are done with your jury. If you have anything